45. Discussing community involvement. Are you involved in any community activities?
Yes, I volunteer at a local animal shelter on weekends.
That's wonderful. How did you get into volunteering?
I've always loved animals and I wanted to make a difference.
Volunteering is a meaningful way to give back to the community.
It's rewarding to see the animals find loving homes.
I've been thinking about joining a community garden.
Community gardens promote sustainability and bring people together.
I'm excited to contribute and connect with others. 46. Discussing technology and communication.
Technology has changed the way we communicate, hasn't it?
Absolutely. We're more connected than ever before.
Do you think technology has improved or hindered communication?
It's a bit of both. While it's easier to stay in touch, face-to-face interaction has decreased.
That's true. Texting and social media have become the norm.
But video calls and messaging apps have their benefits too.
I agree. It's important to find a balance and prioritize meaningful conversations.
And to be mindful of how technology affects our relationships.
47. Discussing cultural traditions.
I'm always intrigued by different cultural traditions.
Me too. It's fascinating how customs vary around the world.
Have you ever participated in any cultural celebrations?
I once attended a Diwali celebration with friends.
Diwali is the festival of lights, right?
Yes, it's a beautiful and colorful celebration in India.
I've been to a Chinese New Year event. The dragon dance was impressive.
Cultural traditions showcase the richness of our global heritage.
They also provide opportunities to learn and appreciate diversity.
48. Talking about time management.
How do you manage your time effectively?
I use a planner to schedule tasks and set prioritizes.
Planning is crucial for staying organized. Do you have any tips?
I break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps.
That's a great strategy. I sometimes struggle with procrastination.
It happens to the best of us. Setting deadlines can help.
I'll give that a try. How do you find time for leisure activities?
I make sure to allocate time for hobbies and relaxation.
Balancing work and leisure is key to a fulfilling life.
49. Discussing social media influence.
Social media seems to have a significant influence on society.
It does. It can shape opinions and trends on a global scale.
Do you think social media has more positive or negative effects?
It's a mix. On one hand, it connects people and raises awareness.
But it can also contribute to misinformation and addiction.
That's true. It's important to use social media mindfully.
I've noticed it can impact mental health too.
That's why setting boundaries and taking breaks are crucial. 50. Discussing fitness and exercise. Staying active is important for overall health, don't you think?
Absolutely. Regular exercise has numerous benefits.
What's your favorite way to stay active?
I enjoy hiking and practicing yoga.
Hiking allows you to connect with nature while yoga promotes flexibility.
Exactly. What about you? How do you like to exercise?
I prefer going for runs and hitting the gym.
Running and gym workouts provide a good balance of cardio and strength training.
It's all about finding activities you enjoy and can stick with. 51. Discussing travel memories.
Do you have a favorite travel memory?
One of my favorites is when I went backpacking through Southeast Asia.
That sounds amazing. What was the highlight of your trip?
Exploring the ancient temples of Angkor Wat in Cambodia was unforgettable.
I've seen pictures of those temples. They're breathtaking.
They truly are. Have you had any memorable travel experiences?
I once visited a remote village in the Amazon rainforest.
That must have been an incredible adventure. What did you do there?
I learned about the local culture, tried traditional food, and even went on a jungle hike.
Traveling allows us to immerse ourselves in new and exciting worlds.
52. Discussing healthy habits. Maintaining healthy habits can be a challenge, but it's important.
I agree. Taking care of our bodies is essential for overall well-being.
What are some of your daily health routines?
I make sure to get enough sleep and drink plenty of water.
Sleep and hydration are crucial. I focus on balanced meals and exercise.
Regular exercise is key. I like to go for a run or do yoga.
Yoga is great for flexibility and relaxation. Do you meditate too?
I practice mindfulness meditation to reduce stress.
That's a wonderful practice. It's all about finding what works for you. 53. Talking about art and creativity.
Are you interested in art or any creative activities?
I love painting and drawing. It's a form of self-expression for me.
That's beautiful. What subjects, too, you like to paint?
I'm drawn to landscapes and nature, scenes.
Nature can be so inspiring. I enjoy photography as a creative outlet.
Photography captures moments beautifully. Do you have a favorite subject?
I like taking photos of cityscapes and street scenes.
That's a unique perspective. Creativity can take many forms.
54. Discussing challenges and overcoming them.
Challenges are a part of life. How do you overcome them?
I approach challenges with a positive mindset and a problem-solving attitude.
That's a great approach. Can you share an example?
When I faced a difficult project at work, I broke it down into smaller tasks.
Breaking things down can make the situation less overwhelming.
Exactly. It helps me stay focused and make steady progress.
I tend to get stressed during challenges. Any tips for managing stress?
Deep breathing exercises and talking to friends help me manage stress.
Those are practical strategies. It's about finding what works for you.
55. Discussing personal achievements. Reflecting on our achievements can be motivating.
It's a way to acknowledge our progress and growth.
What's an achievement you are particularly proud of?
Graduating with honors from university was a proud moment for me.
That's a significant accomplishment. I recently published an article. Congratulations! Writing and sharing your thoughts is impressive. Thank you. It's important to celebrate both big and small victories. Absolutely, each achievement contributes to our personal journey. 56. Talking about family traditions.
Family traditions can create strong bonds, don't you think?
I agree, they provide a sense of continuity and connection.
Do you have any favorite family traditions?
Every year, my family gathers for a big holiday dinner.
That sounds lovely. What do you usually prepare?
We have a traditional roast turkey with all the trimmings.
It's heartwarming how food can bring people together.
Absolutely. Do you have any cherished family traditions?
We have a movie night every Friday, where we watch classic films.
Movie nights sound like a fun and cozy way to spend time together.